Hello and welcome to AorbTech. Today we're going to start another series about pandas, and in this series we'll cover from basic to advanced tutorial. So today's session is just introduction where we will more focus on theoretical part, and in the further tutorial we'll start a practical as well. So the agenda of today meeting: first we'll see the introduction to pandas, then founder and why we use pandas. After that we'll see how we can install pandas and use, and then what you need to learn before going to start pandas, and in the last we'll see outline that we will cover. Introduction to pandas. Pandas is a Python library used for data analysis and manipulation. For example, if you want to do some statistical analysis and you wanted to understand the data set, and while you do a multiple operation, for example grouping, filtering, conditional statement, or modify or delete some columns, that's what we use pandas. Also when we're working with the data set, it make us much more easier if we use pandas, especially when we're working with the tabular data where we can handle multiple files. For example, we can read or write files such as tsv, json, csv, excel, sql. Founder of pandas. The pandas library was funded by Wes McKinney in 2008 while he was working at AQR Capital Management. So he basically created Pandas library because he wanted the tools which help him to solve the financial data in terms of flexible, efficiently, and fastly as well. And this pandas name also came from a panel data as well. Why use pandas? Much faster and more powerful than Excel. For example, if you're working on 1 million of rows and you're working on Excel, just imagine that. That's why we use pandas. It makes us work much more faster and it's more powerful actually. And the second, easy to use, especially if you are working as a data scientist, analyst, and ML engineer, because you are working, for example, on analysis, try to understand the data set, or you wanted to work as an ML engineer where you are more focused on quality of data. So that's what we use pandas for. And the last point, works very well with other libraries, for example numpys, as we already seen in previous series as well, matplotlib, which we'll cover in the next series, scikit-learn, tensorflow, and keras. Then pandas is really compatible to working with those libraries as well. Prerequisites to learn pandas. So first you need to understanding of Python programming language, because without that you won't be able to understand pandas as well. Then numpy as well, because numpy is used for multi-dimensional array, and based on those knowledge we can do data manipulation and analysis as well, that we will cover in this series. But we already make a complete course on those topic, Python and numpy. If you didn't check this one, go and check, and then after that you will be easily understand the pandas as well. Outline of this course, what we're gonna cover in this course: first we will work on series, data frame, then we will see how we can read and write CSV file. After that we'll work on data manipulation, such as we can work on missing values. Then we'll see how we can fill those missing values while applying different operations and method as well. Then we can see some replace, interpolate function as well, which also used to handle the missing values. After that we will see how we can select column by indexed or by their names, and then we will see some various functions such as group by merging and concatenate as well. After that, we will see a different method to join different data frames such as join, append, and then we'll see pivot table, and in the last we will cover melt function as well. For source code, you can visit the following link where you can download the code where you can use in your practical application as well. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share to others who want to learn data science and AI. So stay tuned and we'll see next time.